All right, now, Michael, you be buttering our toast.
I'll do it.
Hey, y'all, I'm getting ready to put together this sandwich, this lazy man sandwich, and it's a fried egg, bacon, avocado sandwich. I'm just drooling into our pan of sugared syrup laden smoked sausage. Look at that, how good that looks. And it's just simmering away. All right, we've got our bacon ready. I'm gonna take our bacon up. And Michael, as soon as you get that toast ready, honey, if you would just put it into our skillet.
Okay.
The bread, and we're gonna turn it into toast. Perfect. And while you're watching our toast, I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna fix us a sauce that we're gonna spread on this toast to put together these wonderful egg sandwiches. And I'm gonna use about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. And this is important because you want it to be at room temperature because you don't want it to tear your toast when we go to slather this on. Ooh, all right, flip it over, Michael, and get both sides toasty, okay?
No butter both sides?
No, just, no.
On a diet?
Well, yes, we're on a diet. One side's enough. All right. Now I'm just gonna take a little green onion and chop it up, and a little fresh parsley. Oops, a lot of fresh parsley. Not much, we don't need but about a teaspoon of each. So there we go, our fresh parsley, our onions, and you've got our toast ready, our buttered toast. So I'm gonna just put all this in the bowl, a little salt to go along with the taste of that bacon, a little black pepper. All right, now, Michael, if you would take this and just mix that together and then spread it on both sides of our toast.
Okay.
When I say both sides, I mean this side and this side, not...
Right.
Yeah, okay. And while you're doing that, it would be real messy to eat. Good thinking. So I'm gonna slice us some tomato to go on our sandwich. And I'm gonna slice us up some avocado. You know, Michael, when I think about it, you've always had somebody cooking for you. Whether it was your mother, your brother Hank, or now me.
Well, it wasn't a plan, it just kind of worked out that way, and I'm just a lucky guy.
How you coming with our cream cheese, baby?
It's good, but the bread's hot.
Yes, that's the idea because it kind of melts down our cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm gonna slice our avocado. So this is all ready. Now I'm gonna come back down here, y'all, in our pan that we fried our bacon in. And we've got the bacon grease that's gonna just fry up our eggs so pretty. And into our bacon grease goes the eggs. Gonna bust that yolk because we're making a sandwich out of the eggs. When we bite into our sandwich, we don't want yolk running all down our arms, do we? All right, Mikey, and I'm gonna take our toast and I'm gonna, is that your stomach? I just heard growling. It was. All right, so there goes our bacon. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna pile up our tomatoes and our avocado.
Looks good.
Doesn't it look good? All right, if you'll get our potato casserole out.
I'll do it.
I'm just gonna flip these eggs over. Just like that. Let some of that bacon grease drain off of our eggs. And here we go.
This smells good.
Doesn't it smell good? And look at that. Have you ever seen a prettier sandwich?
I'm hungry.
Now it's hot, so you begin, huh? What'd you say?
That's delicious.
That cream cheese, y'all. on that sandwich is outrageously good. You know, when I cook for Michael, I don't need but one word from him, and that's Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.